Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to construct a perpendicular bisector. So first of all, what is a perpendicular bisector? Well, by looking at the two words, we can sort of see, think about what they are individually. Bisect means to split things into two equal parts. And perpendicular is a term that is used to describe two lines or multiple lines. And what it means is that they intersect at right angles. So thinking about one there, the other one's going to intersect it at a right angle there. So the angle between the two is always going to be 90 degrees. So our goal here today is to take our line segment that we're given to something like this, and we want to draw a line that intersects it at a right angle directly in the middle. So we can think about this point here, and it's going to come through something like this. So this is roughly our goal. How we're going to do that? All we have is a compass and a pencil and a ruler as well. So first of all, what you will get given is going to be the line segment. So we'll draw a nice easy one here across the line. Doesn't matter which angle it is at, it will always work exactly the same way. So we'll draw that there like that. So this might give you this. They might not draw the line itself. They might just ask you to draw a perpendicular bisector between the points A and B, but without the line drawn. The line itself doesn't actually help our construction. It's just kind of a nice visual to see what we're drawing it about. So our first step is to take our compass. We want to put the spiky part on either end. Doesn't matter, we're going to do the same on A in a second, and make sure it's at least half as long as the line itself, or at least halfway towards A if there's no line there, and then draw an arc on one side and an arc on the other. So you want to make sure that your arc covers at sort of the midpoint. If we try and guess, but the midpoint of A and B is roughly here somewhere, we're going to make sure that the arc covers that distance, covers that point even, sorry, on both ends. Then we repeat the process with the point at A. And our goal here is to make sure that the arcs cross over. So our arc should intersect the arcs that we drew previously from B. And it's really important that we don't change the compass. So we haven't increased or decreased the angle of our compass here. So the radius of the circles we're drawing, that needs to be the same when we're drawing from A and drawing from B. What we can see now is we have 2 points, one at the top, one down the bottom, at the intersections of the arcs we drew in the previous steps. And now we simply go and connect those up. Beautiful. That will be our perpendicular bisector. This line that we've drawn connecting the two intersections is the perpendicular bisector. That should be right in the middle, and it should be 90 degrees. So we can sort of check that with the squares. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And I'll get my protractor quickly, put that on there, and see, well, the squares are going to be 90 degrees, so it's 90 degrees as well, which is exactly what we need for perpendicular.